The Little Bit Foundation is removing barriers to student success in our city's most under-resourced schools by providing access to essential items like hygiene and school supplies, clothing, and more. In 2019, the organization implemented the What's Next program in Riverview Gardens High School. The program assists with post-graduation preparation through career exploration workshops, job fairs, and mentorship.
It's our job to essentially partner up and figure out how can we help you be what you want to be? How can we help you be great? It's a resource desert out there. It's a food desert out there towards Riverview High School. But we want to get out there and give these students every opportunity they can to be something more than what they already are. But we're not here to tell them this is what you're going to be. Our job is to, okay, this is what you're going to be. Let's try to create that path of resources to support you to get to where you want to be in your life.